Gaming laptops are stepping into a new era where raw performance meets artificial intelligence. The Acer Predator 2025 Helios Neo 16S AI is a perfect example of this change. It's not just about powerful specs anymore, but about how AI can optimize performance, cooling, and even user experience in real time. On Tap Tech, we explore how devices like this set the bar higher for the future of gaming, and this machine has definitely turned heads with what it offers. The design of the Predator Helios Neo 16S AI follows Acer's bold gaming language. It looks sharp, aggressive, and futuristic, but at the same time, it feels more refined than before. The chassis is built from durable materials with a clean matte finish, RGB accents, and a backlit keyboard that screams gaming power. Despite its performance-focused build, Acer has managed to keep the laptop fairly slim for a 16-inch gaming machine. It feels sturdy and premium, ready to take on long gaming sessions without compromise. The display is one of its biggest highlights. Acer equips the Helios Neo 16S AI with a 16-inch QHD Plus panel that supports high refresh rates, making gameplay smooth and immersive. Colors are vibrant, brightness is solid for both indoor and outdoor use, and the response time is fast enough for competitive gaming. The AI system can also adjust display settings on the fly, giving you optimal brightness, contrast, and refresh rate depending on what you're playing or working on. This level of intelligence makes the visual experience both powerful and adaptive. Performance is where this laptop shines the brightest. It runs on Intel's latest 14th Gen core processors combined with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series GPUs, delivering next-level gaming power. AAA titles run effortlessly at high settings, and creative workloads like 3D rendering or video editing are handled with ease. The AI engine takes this further by optimizing CPU and GPU usage based on your task. This means you're always getting peak performance without wasting power. With fast DDR5 memory and PCIe Gen 5 SSD storage, everything from booting up to loading massive games feels instant. The cooling system is enhanced by AI as well. Acer uses a mix of advanced heat pipes, liquid metal on the CPU, and high-performance fans. The AI cooling algorithms automatically balance fan speeds and thermal performance depending on workload. During lighter use, the laptop stays quiet, and when gaming gets intense, it cranks up just enough to keep things cool without unnecessary noise. This smart approach makes the Helios Neo 16S AI more efficient than older designs. Battery life is always a challenge with gaming laptops, but Acer has made it better with AI power management. The laptop can last several hours in light use, like browsing or streaming, which is decent for a machine of this size and power. When gaming, of course, you'll still want to stay plugged in for maximum performance. Fast charging support ensures you can top up quickly before your next session. The keyboard and trackpad are gamer-friendly. The keyboard has per-key RGB lighting, customizable profiles, and a comfortable travel distance for long play sessions. It feels responsive and accurate for fast input. The large trackpad is smooth, but most gamers will rely on a dedicated mouse. AI integration even helps detect your hand positioning to reduce accidental touches during gameplay, which is a thoughtful touch. Connectivity is future-ready. The Helios Neo 16S AI includes multiple USB-C and USB-A ports, HDMI 2.1, and Ethernet jack, and support for Wi-Fi 7, ensuring fast and stable online play. The Thunderbolt 4 port adds flexibility for external GPUs or fast storage. With these options, you're well covered whether you're gaming at home or setting up in a competitive environment. Price and value are always key when it comes to high-performance laptops. The Predator Helios Neo 16S AI sits in the premium category, but it offers features that justify the cost. Between the AI-driven performance, powerful hardware, advanced display, and refined design, it feels like you're getting both raw power and intelligent assistance in one package. For gamers and creators who want the latest technology without compromise, the value is strong. Of course, there are pros and cons. The pros include outstanding performance, an AI system that enhances gaming and cooling, a brilliant QHD+ display, and future-ready connectivity. The build quality feels tough and preemy. And the software refinements give it an edge. On the downside, it's still a large laptop, the fans can get loud under heavy load, and the price puts it out of reach for casual users. So, should you buy the Acer Predator 2025 Helios Neo 16 SAI? If you're looking for a gaming laptop that combines cutting-edge AI technology with raw power, this is one of the best options available right now. It not only runs games at their best but also adapts intelligently to your needs, making it a forward-looking investment for serious gamers and creators. At Tap Tech, we bring you closer to devices that are pushing boundaries, and the Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 SAI does exactly that. It's more than a gaming laptop, it's a glimpse into the future of AI-powered computing. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. Stay tuned for more authentic reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.